So hi, a very good evening. So we can start now. So almost all the members has been joined. So we can't wait another 5 minutes. So we can start now. So in the previous session, right? What you know what we had learned. Anybody can explain about this?
We have learned all the types of charts and also field map and symbol map, how to create
So,
different types of charts.
okay, that's great. And what type of charts we had learned? Anybody can explain? Anybody have an idea about this?
Bar chart, column chart, stack column chart, line chart, and symbol map and field map.
That's great. Okay. So today we are going to learn marks shift. So mark shift nothing but it is a marks card. If you see that this is a marks card. Wait 1 second. This is nothing but marks card. If you see that,
Yes.
guys, other can be interactive, right? Because everybody is now in active mode. I think apart from the Madhuri,
Hello. Hi.
yeah, Sibani, tell me.
Yeah, I just joined right now. I will
Okay, okay,
interact,
okay.
not an issue.
Okay, I understand that. Others can respond, please. Owen, Lovely,
We are
Madhuri.
following, sir.
We are following, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Because you're not replying, right? Because the session will be more interactive, right? If you're not any speaking, you're not just, it's not be interactive, right? When I'm teaching something, it should be interactive, you should be understand, you should be, doubts are be there, then it should be, Dinesh is, I'm not understanding anything. Dinesh, this is not be the concept which is what you're telling that I'm not able to understand that. You can tell me, right? So the session should be more interactive. I want, that's why. So today I'm going to learn about mark shift. So this is nothing but, colors, size, label, details, tooltip. If you see that, this is nothing but marks card. So how we are going with colors, size, and labels, how we are going to use the labels, how we are going to use the tooltip as well. Everything I'm going to cover today, marks card. So now everybody, you can see my PPT presentation, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so what about marks card? What if anybody asks you marks? What is a marks card? Is nothing but colors, size, label, details, tooltip. It's part of marks card. It is also known as marks shelf. Suppose an example, I want to color this, right? Now this is a bar chart which is already I created, and I want to color this. I don't want this color. Then I can go to the colors. I can choose my colors, which color I want. Suppose I want this color, suppose I want this color. Which color I want, I can choose it. And in the color section, whichever you want to color according to your requirement, you can choose it. So suppose you want dark gray, suppose you want pink color again, whichever color you want, we can choose it. Again, go for the more colors. Again, you can choose pick screen color. I know I want again more colors. So I can choose pick screen color where I can actually click on the screen colors. You see that? No, again I want again another screen color, which is I want this color I want. Okay, I can choose it. So whatever the colors we can choose, we can pick it the colors. We can choose the big colors. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
yeah. So this is the after choosing these colors, right? So you can add custom colors. Again, add custom colors. This is nothing but write to be HTML code. So you have cleared, right? Now we can choose the colors according to requirement. Suppose I want this color, whatever colors we can choose according to requirement. This is perfect, right? What is the opacity? Opacity is nothing but is little bit be shadow color, and it will be, if you see that, very light colors. Opacity is helpful to you light colors as well. If it goes again, you like more light, you want here. No, you want transparent color, again you want transparent color. The color should be transparent. No, I want little bit light, I can choose little bit light. No, I want some more light colors, some light color. Now you can choose some light color. You see? So
Yes,
opacity
sir.
is helps to, yeah, opacity is helps to you transparent and light colors. No, Dinesh, I want transparent. Should be color should be not visible. Numbers should be visible. Okay, it's possible. Let's do transparent. Now it is visible. Just click continue. Just numbers are visible. Now, Dinesh, at least some light colors we want. Some light colors we can do. Some light colors are visible. So opacity is nothing but it helps to you being in transparent colors and light. No, Dinesh, I want border as well. Then you can choose border. I can choose black border for this. I'll choose, if you choose that, I'll choose border. I'll choose border color, black border. I'm audible, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, you are. Yeah.
So now, so what we are learn colors, we can choose whatever the which colors we want. Opacity is nothing but transparent colors. So we can do light as well. We can transparent as well. Again, we can choose according to the borders. Black border we want. We
Am I
want
audible?
this border. Again, we want this border we want. So this now I can choose red color border. Are we looking for that? So we can choose according to the border as well. Again, we can choose opacity. And again, whatever which colors you want, we can choose it. Again, I want more color, right? I can choose more colors as well. So this is all about colors.
Am I
Simple,
audible,
but nothing.
Dinesh?
Yeah, you're audible. You're audible. Tell me.
What if we want different color for different categories? How we can
Yeah, yeah,
do
yeah.
that?
We are going to the same thing as you. I understand that. I understand that. So thanks for asking question. We are going to the same thing. Now you understand, right? How we can change the colors and what is the transparent and what is the opacity.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
Dinesh.
anybody can try this? Anybody?
May
You can try this.
should I share the screen?
Yeah, definitely.
I have already tried one.
Okay,
I'm
that's fine.
taking I'm taking, let's say, blue color. So
Okay.
this is blue color and opacity is 100%.
Hmm.
If I take it at 75%, the opacity changes. Again at
Okay, okay, okay. Why it
50%,
changes
it
opacity?
changes.
Because opacity it helps to you transparent colors. It make
Yeah,
it lighter and should be, if you want transparent as well, it will also helps you transparent, right?
yeah. And
So uh,
border,
if you choose
I'm
border,
taking, yeah.
yeah, you can choose
You can
border
continue.
also. Yeah,
Continue.
yeah, you can tell me, can tell me.
I was just explaining this.
Yeah, yeah,
This orange border I have to.
yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Anybody can try this? Lovely, Sibani, Angad.
Yeah, I have done actually. I will share my screen.
Yeah, you can share your screen.
What?
You're facing any difficulties?
This, I mean, I'm just joining through the browser actually. I'm just trying. Next second. I think it will be.
You have screen visible, right?
It's visual?
Yeah, it's visible.
That's okay. Just a second. So I just opened this right now only. I just extract the data to the Tableau. So here there is a color option is there.
Okay.
So we need to color as per our requirement. So if we need the pink color as per our requirement, we can do. If we need any light or dark shadow, we can do. There is a opacity is there, right? So according to this, we can highlight. I mean, more light or less light, we can do through opacity. If we need any border color, so we need to. There is a option in the below border. So there is a border color also there. So according to we can choose which color we need to highlight the border. For example, this navy blue. So click on that. Then how much dark we need, I mean to the highlight the border. So according to this, there is a effect. This one only, right? Yes. There is a opacity color. I did that. For the border also there is opacity is there, right? So highlight
Yeah,
more and
yeah,
in
is
the
there?
below.
You can go with that. You can go with that. Is there?
The above one only? Yes. This is the for the color, right? This is for color one. Above the border, highlight the border if we need more highlight the border only. So is there any option here? I just did right now, but I'm unable to see right now.
Okay. So click on that. So
Uh,
erase an option as automatic, right? So there is automatic border, it will comes automatically.
yeah. I mean, there is no, we can't do more dark or less in the border.
Yeah, we can do. We can do. I want to explain from the next thing. Okay, don't worry about it.
Okay, okay. Yeah,
This is
thank you.
just, a small introduction about colors only.
Mm-hmm.
So how we can change the colors, how we can, draw the borders, how we can use opacity. Anybody have doubt in this colors in?
Oh, sorry, I
No.
just.
Okay,
No.
so let's go into the one condition I want to put this. And now somebody has asked one question, right? I want individual for the different specific dimension for the different colors. Not suppose the client is asking for the creating a bar chart, right? And dimension is segment and measure is sales. Now client is asking for the different colors, different colors for the all the segments. They don't want same color for segments. So somebody's asked that I want different colors, right? So this is same condition I'm putting in. Now the client is specifically mentioned that don't put same colors in all segments. I want different colors for all segments. So let's create this chart. So let's suppose, what they have said. They have said, dimension is segment and measure is sales. And they want different colors for all segments, right? Then going to the prepared chart, segment, sales. Okay,
Can you
let's,
just share your screen?
yeah, I will say already shared my screen. My screen visible.
Yeah, it's
No.
visual.
It's visible, right, Madhuri? You are facing any difficulties?
Yeah, now visible.
Yeah, it is visible. Thank you so much for the confirming. So now I have a use, creating a bar chart. So I use sales according to their requirement, sales and segment. So what they have said, uh, dimension is a segment and measure is a sales. Then please choose different colors for all segments. Now I just want to be and put a T. Now if you see that. they as per the requirement, they want to show in a different colors. Now the tableau is a default is showing for the all colors for the all segments. What is my basic condition? The basic condition is I want to show the different colors for the all segments. Simple answer, just drag this choose segment here and drag into the colors. Now we can choose according to the edit colors. Suppose I want consumer in a red color, again corporate in a pink color, again home office in this color, assign palette, apply, okay, done. So now we have a certain kind of condition we're satisfied, right? What they want, please show choose different colors for all segments. So we have all segments in different colors, whatever they have requirement. We can choose whatever kind of requirements. Suppose they don't want these colors as well. So we can change these colors and assign the palettes. Tableau, it said the select the color palette is option is there, right? Now it is automatic. Now we can change into the automatic. Click on the automatic. We have hundreds of options where we can choose it. Tableau 10, Tableau 20, color blind, purple pink, again blue, again orange. Now I want, traffic lights. I can choose traffic lights. Click on traffic lights, assign palette, apply. Okay. How is it looks? Anybody respond me? How is it looks?
Like traffic lights, all three
Traffic lights, right?
colors.
Yeah.
Guys, please respond me because we are not in a second class. We are not in a second class, right? I'm just explaining and you're not doing anything. So try to respond me and try to work with me. So because we are going to be more mature, try to be more interactive. So where you can learn more as well, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Jay. Sometimes
Understood.
there's a gap between your presentation and us receiving it from on this end. That's why maybe we are slow to respond.
Okay, okay, I understand it. Sorry, sorry, I'm so sorry about that.
Yeah.
Now you understand, right? What is the condition and how I clear this condition. I was satisfied this condition. Then anybody can tell me that what is the condition? Anybody can try this. What is the condition? Which is I put that
So as you said, the different color we need to put for the different, I mean, line.
segments. Yeah, different
Yes.
segments. So what they have said. So they have said according to their requirement, right? They said
Yes.
dimension is segment and measure is sales. So they want to choose different colors for all segments. They don't want same color for all segments, right? And they have specifically mentioned that don't put same colors. If you see that, don't put same colors for all segments.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So what I do is now I choose different colors and I choose traffic colors. So it makes to me, different colors for the different segments. Again, I want to change the color, then we can change. Go to the color, edit color, and you don't want traffic light, right? We can choose. Go and change it. No, I want purple color. Just use purple color, assign palette, apply. Okay, done. Understand, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anybody
Yes.
can try
Understood.
this?
Understood.
Understand, right? Thank you so much. So and now anybody's understand that. Now we are going to the second. Suppose now this is what we are doing. This is nothing but colors by dimension. Now whatever we are using, this is nothing but dimension, right? So whenever you are using, right, when you using dimension, right, this interface it will comes. Okay. So now if you using segment, right, again, suppose and apart from the segment, let's suppose I choose region by sales. I just drag Now, if you see that, again, I change region by sales, but you should understand that this interface, colors, read colors, opacity, effects, this interface is nothing but region. This is just interface, nothing but colors on visual by dimension. But when I use sales into these colors, right? What is it? Just click on that. 1 second. So when I use colors by colors on visuals by measures, right? So what colors on visuals and measures, that what how to put the measures. Now we are check that dimension. Now we are going to the use colors by measures. So now what I can check sales again, region. Again I choose for the this chart. So I am putting the sales into this and I want to change the color. If you see that this is interface is different. When you're working on the dimension, that interface is different. So this is the edit colors, right? Now it's showing step color, revise. Again, this color I want to change it. So I'm telling about interface. Suppose this is nothing but sales is measure, right? Suppose I am using a region into the colors and I'm click on this colors, edit colors. This is a diamond. This is the interface is different. Again, when I'm clicking on sales into the colors, again edit colors, this interface is different, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So what is difference in that? So that's why I put in the colors on visual by dimensions, colors on visual by measures. Now we already checked that when I putting the segment into the colors, right? So it's showing the colors. We can edit the colors, right? We can choose the which color we want. So this is interface. We can understand that we can choose the colors. We can whatever color we want, we can choose it, and we can assign the palette. Apply OK colors. We can choose it. Now the same thing when I'm putting the conditions by measures, right? Suppose I want a sales into the colors only. And this color I want to change it. If we see that this interface is different, what interface? This step colors. That this step colors is showing 5. Again, go to the advanced option. Suppose this colors, which colors we want? Suppose this color I want, I can choose OK. If we see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step colors is 5. No, I want only 3 colors. You can reduce it into the 3 colors as well. You can reduce it 3 colors as well. And we can apply OK. You see that?
Yes.
Yes.
So yeah, so what I'm saying that interface of dimension of colors, interface of sales, major dimension interface is different. So let's suppose I'm putting the condition. What is the condition is there? Creating a bar chart using dimension is subcategory. Let's suppose I'm creating what they have said. Creating a bar chart using dimension is subcategory and measure is profit. So I choose subcategory and profit and bar chart. Hmm? If we see that now, what I mentioned that creating a bar chart, I created bar chart using dimension is subcategory and measure is profit. Now dimension is subcategory, measure is profit. Then please show profitable categories in green color. It means up to starting 950 to 55,618, it shown mean be green colors. It showed in green colors. Okay. Now, and loss subcategories in red color. Loss means these categories. Suppliers, bookcases, tables. Minus 17,725. So this is a loss, right? We can show in red color. Then what they want, Dinesh, do one thing, create a bar chart and whatever the subcategories in a profitable subcategories, you can go with the green color. And whatever the loss subcategories, you can choose red color. So what I do, just drag the sales into the colors. Now I want to change the colors, edit colors. Now what I want, profitable colors means what starting with 950 to 55,000 in a green. So just click on the green color and make sure it should be two. Okay. Again, we can choose custom into the green. So, so we can choose into the red. One second, one second. Sorry, it's my mistake. So I'm choosing green color only. And again, I'm choosing here in a red color only. And what is the advanced option is there? Start, aim, center. If you see that, again, what I want step colors is two. Then I apply for that. Okay. Now, whatever the from 950 to 55,000, it should be green. Again, minus 1,189 to 17,000, it's showing red color. What they have condition, they want to creating a bar chart and dimension is subcategory, measure is profit, and they want to show profitable categories in green color and loss subcategories in red color. So whatever the profitable subcategories in green color and the loss subcategories in a red color. If you see, so this is nothing but color sound visual by measures. How we can use it? Anybody can try to prepare this? Anybody can try this?
Sir, I will share my screen. Could you please help me on that? Actually, I have little doubt while we are doing. I observed that, but I have little doubt on that actually.
Don't worry, I can help you. Don't worry.
Yeah, thank you. I just the subcategory and profit. I
Okay.
just drag that. Then
Okay.
the color.
Then you can go with the sorting option from the low to high.
Okay.
Sorting option and the
Mm-hmm.
go for sorting option. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
low to high. I to low. Now it's perfect. Now it's perfect. No, yeah,
That's
now it's perfect. Now
okay.
what is the requirement is that whatever the profitable subcategories they want in a green color
Mm.
and whatever the loss subcategories they want in a red color, right?
Yeah.
So choose profit and drag into colors.
Then here we need to change the color.
Yeah, click on colors,
I did.
edit colors.
Echo. Here we need to choose which color we need here,
No,
right?
no, 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 no. What now? First of all, a most important thing, everybody's please understand that. So we want only two colors. One is red and one is green. So make sure you should understand stepped color is two, not five. First change step color.
Here.
Yeah, click on step color and reduce 5 to 2. Click on 2. Remove the 5 to click on 2.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm.
Now what? Now go to the advanced option. Now first just click on start center and click on that. Click on that. Now red color is remain same.
Mm.
Change the 55,618 color, right? Go
Yeah.
into the choose into the green color. Click on that.
Uh-huh.
The click on
Acha.
that. Now you can choose the green color.
Okay.
Click on
Yeah.
OK.
Mhm.
Now whatever the now I choose the, yeah, now it's showing right.
Yeah.
Now the loss subcategories, it is in a red color, and profitable subcategories in a green color.
Yes.
Yeah. Anybody can try this. Angrid, Avinash, Lavni, you can try this. You can share your screen.
Can I try?
Yeah, you can try, Avinash, definitely. Because you were I'm doing for the all free, right? Even you, everybody can try this, right? Now, first of all, subcategory, choose sales. Okay, good. Click on the I to the low, click on T, and go to the profit into the colors. Perfect, 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 perfect. Avinash, I think you understand, right? What is the requirement and how we have fulfilled that requirement?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, perfectly, Avinash. Anybody can try this? Lucian, James, Izad, Ganesh, Divya, Apurva.
Shall I my screen? Can I share my screen?
Who is this?
This is Avinash.
Avinash.
Avinash Singh.
Yeah, you can try this.
Like I have chosen the categories here. Uh,
Okay.
how
I
we
think
can
you have
do
a, yeah.
like review. We can resize this chart.
First of all, reduce the size, right? You have a, the screen is showing more bigger, and
Am I
click on T that you will get the numbers. Then after the, yeah, understand that what you're facing, right? Yeah, first reduce that. Now it's perfect. No, don't do it like that. Okay, I will tell you. What I will tell you one thing. So now, if you see that this arrow, hello, Avinash.
I, yes, Dinesh.
If you see this arrow, just click this arrow into the, you can choose into the smaller. And now I want some big, I can choose big. So you can choose this
Ah,
arrow to go big, again small as well.
okay, that.
You understand, right?
Yes, yes. Let me try
Yeah,
at mine.
yeah, you can try, you can try. So in the meanwhile, please work on that, which I'm telling. So what we are learn, colors by dimension, colors by measures. Okay. And always be understand that the colors by dimensions, it's the interface, you should be, work on that. Interface is different for the dimension as well. Interface is different for the measure as well. So confuse, don't confuse it. Okay.
Hello, Dinesh.
Anybody can try this. Meanwhile, Ganesh, you can try this.
Actually, I have some doubt. Means actually, I'm not getting proper result. Let me
Yeah,
share.
yeah, yeah, definitely. You can ask the questions, right? Just share your screen. What you're facing the difficulties. Tell me.
Now it is visible.
Yeah,
Actually, I'm
yes.
getting a different color. Actually, I did same,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You did same. I understand that.
but
But
here I'm getting only one color option. Means
yeah, I understand that what you do. But you can check that what they have done and what you done.
yeah,
Because you choose sales. We need to choose profit. Not here,
yeah,
color
yeah, yeah.
section.
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
You
Sorry.
understand, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Remove that. Choose profit.
Yeah, right. Sorry.
Now choose colors. Click on colors. Click on edit colors.
Yeah, now it is fine. I got it.
You got it right?
Yeah.
Yeah, understand that. So if still you're facing in difficulties, and make
Yeah.
sure step colors is to don't ignore this part. This is the main important
Yeah, now it is fine.
because we as per the conditions we want profitable subcategories in green color and
Yeah.
loss subcategories in a red color. That's why we are choosing step color as a 2, right?
Yeah, yes. I got it.
Suppose I want 3 colors, 4 colors, we can choose step color option as 4. Okay.
Yeah.
Anybody can try this? Lucian, Lovely, Angad, you can try this, Lovely. You can go and share your screen. So, okay, what we need to do, just click on the profit. Okay, then next. Okay, and click on team. Perfect, Lovely.
Thank you.
Perfect, perfect. Now, sorry. Now I want to put the one more condition. Let's ask the same. Now the profit, the limit, right? What we have, um, if profit less than 10,000, then it show in a green color. And if suppose profit more than 10,000 in a red color.
Dinesh, I cannot see your screen.
Yeah, I understand it. Now I'm just putting a one condition, how you can answer it. Suppose, you know, we are creating a one bar chart. Okay. We are creating a one bar chart and we choosing subcategory and dimension is subcategory. Measure is profit. So what is the condition? Tell me. Condition is that 10,000, right? If the profit is more than 10,000, then display subcategories in green color. Otherwise, show them in red color. Understand, right? What is the condition?
Yes, sir.
Anybody can try this. What I done that, suppose the profit 10,000 profit. If more than that, then it's green color. Then it's green color. Okay. Otherwise, show in a red color. Otherwise, show in a red color. Okay. Okay, understand that? Anybody can try this. I can help you. Don't worry.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen, sir. So there is a profit. If the profit is less than 10,000, then we need the green color, or else it will be red. So the
Perfect.
10,000, I mean, that condition we need to put here only, right? This is the figure here.
Okay. How do you put the condition itself? Tell me. Where you put the condition?
That is that.
Okay. At least you're trying something, Subhani. I'm very happy that somebody people are not trying something. They just, keep quieting. Just they're not talking at least. At least you're
Uh,
trying something. I
Go in
appreciate you. Okay.
advanced options. Go in
Yes,
advanced.
advanced option. And
Here start.
you
We need to put here, and here we need to put the figure, right? I mean, 10,000 or less than, like this, or what?
Okay. Now you are on correct path. Perfect. Now go to the center option. Now what I want condition is 10,000, right? If less than 10,000 is in red color. More than 10,000 green color. Write 10,000 first.
Okay. That's it
Click
only.
on and choose green color. Okay, first.
Yes,
After
yes.
click on OK, choose green color. Click on
This
OK.
would be red.
Now, one most important thing you have missed it. One most important thing.
Stepped color
Step
to.
color.
Right. Because we don't want five colors, we want only two colors.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now click on OK, apply, then that's fine. It's showing automatically.
Yeah. So these are the less than 10,000, the profit. This is the negative one. And
Yeah,
this
with
is
the
the
negative
above
one.
10,000 profit we have.
First click on T, we will get clarity, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Without clicking on T, how can get clarity, right? Click on T, we will get the numbers. Now, if you see that less than 10,000 in red color, more than 10,000 in green color,
Green.
perfect. We satisfy the condition, perfect.
Yeah.
Because,
But in this scenario, Dinesh, suppose if I want to show negative in different color, and less than 10,000 in different, and more than 10,000 in different, means if I want to add three colors in this, so how can I?
okay, that says go to the next part. That is, we to put the conditions. Then automatically we can choose, number of colors we want. Means we can put the
Pardon me,
conditions.
Dinesh. I'm a little
Yeah,
lagging here.
I'm audible to you perfectly.
Uh, for me, interface is not coming in this way. So I'm kind of little stuck.
Okay, now I'm audible clearly. Guys, if you're facing any problem, right, please let me know. So what I'm telling, right, I'm audible perfectly, right, Avinash?
Yes,
Now,
yes, you are audible. I'm saying I'm stuck at one situation. For
okay,
me, this color interface is not coming the way you have
okay,
shared.
just share
That
your
should
screen.
first.
Tell me. I will tell you. Don't worry, I will tell you. Just share your screen. So, okay,
So like,
click on. Okay,
so this is the I have tracked this profit column here, and I'm clicking over this color. So it is coming in this way. I'm not having the option to edit color. So
okay, I understand that. So first of all, what colors is not coming? Tell me.
no, like you have the option where you that edit color tab where we can
Yeah,
go and
more
choose.
colors, right? More colors, right?
If I go here,
Just click on the, click, first of all, remove this. You have done wrong thing, right? We need some more profit into the colors. We don't want in details, right? Then now it will comes. Now click on the colors option. Now
now
click
it
on
has.
the edit colors. Then it comes,
I
right?
think I misplaced it.
Yeah, you misplace it because we need profit into the colors, not in details.
Okay, okay. Now I'll try.
Okay. Now you understand, right? What
Yes.
you have a mistake there.
Yeah. Thank
I
you.
understand. Thank you so much. Now anybody, now I'm doing the, if anybody can try this, what, done this. Anybody can try this. I can help you.
I
I
have
can prepare.
I have
I
already
can
tried.
prepare. You're already trying, right? That's fine. You're already doing, lots of work already. Sibani or other people's Angad, Lovely.
have
If I
already
can
done
try,
it.
yeah, I can. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Now I move to the next session. So we are going to the, working with the size of visuals. Is that mean we can change the size of visuals, reduce the size and again increase the size. Let's
Dinesh, one
suppose,
question.
yeah,
Sorry, somebody had asked like, what if we had, like we want three colors
yeah,
for
yeah.
negative one and till 10,000 one and above that one. How we do that?
We do that with the help of the calculation methods. We can do that. This is going to the next session. It will covers. Now it will covers, but definitely I will tell you that how it will covers. We need to do create calculations for that, custom
Oh,
calculations.
okay, got it.
So custom calculations, we can choose individual colors, what we want. We can add n number of conditions.
Okay, got it.
I hope you do doubt is clear. Don't
Yeah.
worry. Owen started with calculations, right? I will
Mhm.
clear it if doubt.
Okay.
Now you understand, right? What is the major difference in the dimension by measure and dimension by understand, right? What is the
Yeah.
dimension? What is the measure?
Yeah.
No, now my screen is
It's
visible.
clear.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yes, it
it's
is.
visual.
Now I want to reduce the size. I can reduce it. I can increase the size. I can increase the size. Again, go for the column chart. No, I want this size. I want reduce the size. I can reduce it. Again, I want to increase the size. I can increase it. Again, stack column chart. Again, this size is much bigger, right? No, I want some small size. I can reduce the size. Again, small, you can reduce it. Again, pie chart. Again, this pie chart is looking very small. I want a big chart, big pie chart. I can reduce, I can increase the chart. I can increase it. Okay. As much of all we can increase it. Now it's not looking good, right? Now it's this is the perfect looking. Again, go for the line chart. Now this the line chart, this border, I want thick border. So I can increase the size. If you see that the border is going to be thick. Again, go again thick. The border is thickness is going to be high. If you see that, no, this much of thickness I don't want. I want some thickness. So I can do that. So size is nothing but we can increase the size or reduce the size. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Understood.
So we can, according to the visuals, according to the, now if you go with the pie chart, right? I will increase the size as well. I can reduce this much of size as well. If you see how much small looking good one, right? If you want this size, you can this size. We can choose according to the requirement. According to the requirement as well, we can set the size as well. Go for the next. So formatting date labels. What is the formatting date labels? When I'm talking about the labels, what is the labels? Anybody can explain me?
The names or figures which we get on our
Yeah,
diagram,
Figures
like
are
south, west, central.
the legend on shape product line and
Okay. Anybody can try this. So when I'm talking about the label is nothing but showing the numbers. It's showing the, that kind of labels. Suppose if I go with the chart, if I go with the bar chart, this is showing like 8 lakh 36,000, 7 lakh 40,000, 7 lakh 90,000. If I go with the label, show mark label. If I show that, this is the labels will be showing that, right? The labels is nothing but it's showing that numbers. Now it is an option. I don't want labels, then uncheck this option. I want labels, then check this option. According to your requirement, according to your manager say that Dinesh, this chart, we need to show the labels, then click on the labels. Again, we don't want to show the labels. That's fine. So there is option that show mark labels. Just now I want to show the labels, just click on that. Next option is that font. If I click the font, Tableau has given n number of fonts. If you see that, wide Latin, again Time New Roman, again it is something, uh, Verdena. Again I want to choose this something is creative, right? How is looking? How is looking? Tell me, guys. I'm audible, right?
So it's a
Yes,
different kind of
Yeah,
fonts, font
Okay,
type.
I found type, right?
it is
Now,
stylish.
it is. I am go with the more professional. I will choose Times New Roman. Now it's showing perfect, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Anybody's asking? Just say. Tell me. Anybody's asking something?
No, sir.
Okay, that's fine. So now I choose Times New Roman. Dinesh, I want this 9 into the 12 size again. I whichever we can size, I can choose it. That now I want 12 size, I want 20. Now you want suppose 26. Whichever we can size, you can choose it. Now we can choose into the whichever we want again. So labels again, you want bold, then bold. Again, I don't want bold. Again, again I want to show in the italic. You can show the italic. Again, I want to show the underline. I can show underline. Again, you want to show the bold as well. You can show bold as well. So Tableau has been given an option of match mark color. So what is the mean that match mark color? So what is the same color? It will be showing the number color as well. Suppose I click match mark color, right? How is it showing? The same match mark color, right?
Dinesh, I cannot see the
Yeah.
match mark color option in my on my screen.
Okay, share your screen. It's maybe public version as well. Let's share your screen.
See you.
Click on the label and click on the font label. Font. Click on
Okay.
font.
Yeah, got it, got it.
Click on it. Yeah. Now
On
if
match
we
mark label.
if match mark color, click on match mark color. Click on that.
Yeah, clicked.
Now if you see that the labels, it will be shown into the same color, which is the bar colors are there.
Yeah, okay, got it. Digits are
Okay.
shown as per the color of the
Yeah,
bars.
digits are showing in the same color. Now if you see that, now now I'm changing this color, then it's automatically changing color, right? Because of I choose match mark color option. You see?
Can you show your screen, please?
Your screen isn't really
We
visible.
can't.
Okay, just 1 second. Now it's perfect, right? Now I'm changing this color, again this color, again this color,
Dinesh,
again. Yeah, tell me.
your screen is not visible.
It's not visible. I have shared my screen.
It's visible
It's
now.
visible to me.
Yeah, it's visible.
It's visible now.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
now
visible,
visible.
right? Yeah. I
Hi
understand
Dinesh.
that.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Now fine.
Tell me, Pranit.
Now fine.
That's fine. Right? Now into the label, right? Which I'm explaining that match mark color, right? Whichever we colors we want, we can choose it. So suppose I want match mark color, I want to choose match mark color. In the match mark color, what option is that, right? Whatever the I can choose into the colors as well. Suppose I will choose this color, it will change that. again, then. So whatever you're choosing this color, right? Suppose I want match mark color, then match mark color. So match mark color is nothing but whatever the bar diagram colors are there, right? The same colors it appears. Suppose if you remove that this match mark color, right? It will not be shown same like that. Suppose I'm changing this color, should be that? Because if you set the match mark color, again automatic if you set that go full chain color, it's not showing right because I put now I remove this condition match mark color. If I'm putting the match mark color, then whatever the changing colors, right? The same will be shown in the number as well. If I'm putting the black red color, then red color numbers are there. If you remove the match mark color option, right? Go for the automatic, right? It will not be shown. Again, see?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So match mark color is nothing but the same colors it will be shown on visual itself, whatever we create in the chart itself. Now we can pick up the colors whichever color we want. Suppose I want this color, I want this color. With whichever color we can want, we can choose these colors as well. Okay. Now you understand about show marks label. Now you understand about font. How we can change the font, what size we can check it, control bold, again underline, again match mark color, again we can choose different colors for the different requirements. Some suppose I want gray color, I can choose gray color, I want red color. So you understand that size and labels. Anybody have doubt in that?
No doubt.
So anybody can try to do this, reduce the size and increase the size. And anybody can try this again, um, to use how to use the labels, how to go for the match mark colors.
Can you explain the 100% option below match mark
100%
color
will match mark
in
color,
the
right?
label
Yeah,
option?
100 colors is nothing but, okay, I will tell you just 1 second. If you go to
Is it
the label,
yeah.
right? Yeah,
Is it opacity?
now, yeah, it same like opacity, right? And I already explained, right? If it is 100%, right? It's showing the full of colors. Again, I want this nothing but is unique. Understand, right? Guys, please be on mute. Srinivas, please be on mute. Guys, please be on mute.
This 100% feature is not working in my on my screen.
So, okay, go for now, Madhuri, you are asking for 100% feature, right? 100% is what? Is nothing but opacity, right? Is when I'm going for this, it's when invisible, right? Again, when I'm choosing this, it will show in the colors, right? Because it's showing the light border colors again. Again, if I want invisible, I can choose invisible. Again, we want 100%, 100%. There's nothing but colors, it's opacity, same like opacity. Understand, right, Madhuri?
Okay, got it. I guess it works only on match mark color. It doesn't work on automatic.
So now you understand that what is 100%. Your doubt is clear, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. So anybody can try this that out, increase the size and reduce the size. Ganesh, you can try this. Ganesh, Angad, Kamala.
Yeah, I already did. Let me show you.
So, yeah, just show your screen.
Now here it is. Suppose if I use automatic, it will show like the color is different, whichever I'm using it. And suppose if I'm using,
Automatic in shows in the black color. It is
yeah,
a
black,
default color of
yeah,
Tableau of black color. And if
Yeah,
you're choosing for the match mark color,
yeah,
whatever the yeah it colors, it will show it match mark color. If you see that match mark color, the same colors it will show in the label color, right?
yeah, right.
Okay. So now I'll go for the
So
next, right?
I have a doubt, sir, here. So while we are putting the labels and the chart color, so which one will be better if we put the figures, I mean the label according to the chart color, the same sum that will be professional, little good the professional, or if we put the same color that will be little professional, or the black color that will be little professional.
Actually, the black color is more professional because the Tableau is set default color as black color. If you go for the industries, go for the corporate companies, go for the any clients, they put
Mm-hmm.
in black color only. Matchmark color is something an option that we can, the labels into the same color as well. So that is additional
Mm-hmm.
feature, right?
Okay, but the more professional is black only, right?
That is more professional black only.
Yeah, thank you.
Anybody can showcase the screen and increase the size and reduce the size. Nervous? Are you there? Anybody? Lovely, Divya, Ashin, Angad. So now we understand, right? Colors, size, label. Now from this now onwards, whatever I explained that color, how to use the colors as well, and how to increase the size or decrease the size, and on the labels as well, how to change the font. You understand, right?
Yeah,
So I'm
understood.
Yes,
going to
sir.
the next.
Yes,
Yeah, I'm
understood.
going to the next. Yeah. Again, some of the options I haven't explained that. Now again go for the next. I'm sharing my screen. Now go for after the going for the label, which is I option I have a this I've explained, right? Now alignment. When I come to the alignment, we are option that horizontal, direction, vertical, wrap. When I'm clicking on the direction, which direction I want. Suppose this direction which we are using, right? I want this direction. I can showcase this direction. I want this direction. No, I want this direction as well. It showcase good. Now horizontal we can choose in the middle as well. We can show left side. We can show right side. If you see
Yeah,
automatic, we can choose the center. We can show left side. Alignment as it. This is nothing but alignment where I can this labels putting into the center, putting into the right side, putting into the left side. Understand?
yeah,
So
Yes.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
it's okay. Now we understand that what is horizontal and how it we can take the directions, right? Now we can choose automatic as well. This is automatic. We can choose it will works on vertical formats. Okay. Again, this is the wrap automatically on or not. Is nothing but we can choose it. So you understand that how alignment it works. Even it is out horizontal, even it's vertical, even it is direction. Suppose I want change for these labels.
Oh,
Again, go for custom. I can changing this automatic. Okay, automatic to this directions. Okay.
what's
Yes,
the
sir.
use of automatic filter? I didn't get it.
Automatic is something you put the condition where you put the conditions where the things it will be remain the same. Suppose go with the label and I put the go for the font. Automatic colors means whichever the colors I want to choose, it will be shown automatically. Again, match mark color is which will shown it's your choice only. Again, go for the labels. Alignment is automatic, right? Now its default has been set by the tablet itself, automatic. You can change it as well.
Okay.
Now, which is now I'm showing right now. I showed the horizontal, right? Now we're showing they're just moving right, center, right, left, right? Again, center, right, left. This is nothing but horizontal. Now I'm showcasing the vertical format. So just right option, again center option, again lower option. If you see that numbers are changing sides. It's see guys, you are not
Yeah.
seeing right. So this is nothing
Yeah,
but
following same.
yeah. So this is nothing but vertical. This is nothing but horizontal,
Yes, yes.
where we can change the direction of the labels. No, I want this direction. I can choose this direction. I can choose this direction as well. No, I want to choose this direction. You can choose this direction. Now we have completed font. Again, we have completed alignment as well. Now we're going with the marks label. So what is a label
Can you
and yeah, tell me, Madhuri,
explain wrap?
can you?
Can you explain wrap alignment?
Where?
Wrap.
Wrap, last word.
Rep.
Wrap,
Yes,
sorry.
W.
But wrap, right? So wrap is
Wrap.
nothing but is kind of an option, right? It's not needed as well because it just depends on the charts we are using wrap option.
Okay, fine.
Okay, okay.
Is not as needed, right? So now marks label. Now label option is nothing but it's showing the all label selected, minimum, maximum, highlight option, line ends, most recent. If I choose most recent, then what will show, right? It will last string, right? Again, click on the table. Again, if I want to choose all, it will show the all the label. Again, I want minimum, maximum. It means it will be showing the what is the maximum, what is the minimum. You see? Again, labels I want line ends, then it will show the line ends option. The line is going to the start and line is going to the end option. To understand that, if you go with the marks label all options, right? We can go with the all options. No, we can go with minimum, maximum. It will show the minimum, maximum. Again, if you go with the selected option, then it will not showcasing anything. Again, highlighted option is I'm going to tell you selected and highlighted. I will tell you. Now I understand that all minimum, maximum, most recent. Hmm? You understand,
Understood.
right? Marks
Understood.
label.
Understood.
If you're putting on all labels, it will showcasing the all labels. If you're putting the minimum maximum labels, it will showing the maximum to minimum. Again, line ends is suppose starting line start with line ends with. Again, if you go with the other labels, it was most recent label, then it's showing the end label as well. Now, what is the highlight option and selected option? Okay, so I'm going to tell you. These highlighters on visuals. If you see, if I mention right, highlighters on visuals. So what is the highlighters? How we can highlight on visuals? How we can use it? This highlight option, right? This highlighted option. So suppose I open this column chart and I want to be highlighted in consumer only. I want to highlight only consumer only. So how to highlight consumer only? Go to the analysis and go to the highlighter option and choose segment. Now is the option is coming, right? Highlight segment. Now you can choose consumers. Now I'm just highlighting consumer only. If you see, hello,
Yes, sir.
now, now if you see that I want to highlight corporate, then we can highlight corporate as well. I can do this way as well, or else you can just click then it is automatically highlighted. Or else you just click, automatically highlighted. Or else you want separate like this, then go for the analysis, go for the highlighters, choose segment. Again, you want to go for analysis, right? Go for the highlighters, go for segment, choose the home office, done. Choose the another option if you want. I want consumer and I want consumer. So you can highlight particular dimension or particular measure.
Sir, is it possible to apply this on sales? I mean, more revenue,
Yeah,
which
absolutely. Yeah, you can. Yeah, definitely. It is possible to the dimension and measures as well. It is possible on any visuals, on any reports, and any worksheet as well. If you open your worksheet, I will tell you.
okay. I just created one blank sheet. So we will take the subcategory. What is the category, right? Category and the sales.
So now, what you want to be highlight? Tell me.
For example, I mean, as you were saying, for in particularly one, it is if you're clicking on this like that way. For example, we need which
For
part is more.
example,
The
okay,
sales is
okay,
more.
okay. I will tell you. Just first click on it.
Mm,
Go for the highest to the lowest. Go for sorting option, highest to the lowest.
Highest and this one only, right?
Yeah, and go for analysis and go for the highlighter option is there, right? Highlighters.
Yes, here only category option available,
Yeah, yeah. Click on that.
but there is no sales.
Click on that. Now click on the technology.
Technology.
No, no, no. Search on that. Right. Just click on that. Don't click on that thing.
Okay.
It will change the format as well, right? Don't click on that.
Mhm.
Just search on that option, right?
And this one you are telling the format highlighter.
No, no. Highlight category. Click on the highlight category. Highlight category.
Highlight
Don't
category you
go
are
with
telling.
the. Don't go with that. Okay, I will tell you just 1 second. Just search on
It's
that.
just
Just
above that. Above that.
Acha, so you are telling search.
yeah,
Yes,
Yeah,
yeah.
yes.
search
You,
box.
you just go for search box only. Don't
Acha,
go
okay.
search on that and
Okay,
choose
got it.
technology.
Okay.
Now it's showing particular technology itself, right? Not showing furniture, not showing
Mm-hmm.
office supplies, right?
Okay.
It's showing particular dimension or particular measure. Now we are focusing on particular dimension is technology, which is highest sales on category.
Yes. Okay. In this room also we can get, yeah, I mean, through the label also,
Yeah,
highest
you
or low
can
we can do, and we can get like this way. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
understand that. What is the easiest way? Tell me. Anybody can tell me. Is so easiest way.
Just click on the bar and that it
Okay.
gets automatically
Just click
highlighted.
on that. It's automatically highlight.
Yeah.
Okay, but why
Yes.
I'm taking this option, right? When you're going for the development stage, right? Client is asking for the highlighter option to be showcased.
Yes, sir. Without doing anything, that should be visible.
If suppose because you are giving to the access with the clients, right? Clients can change the highlights. You because at the time of your development is done and you are already deployed with the dashboard and you have already development is almost done. So you are deployed to the client and client is asking there is no highlighter option is there. How can I highlight this? Then what do you do? So you are telling that just you can choose that there is separate option that you can search on that. Whatever you can choose an option, it's automatically highlighted. Simple.
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody have doubt in that?
Sir, actually, while we will save this Tableau, right, after completion of this project, for example, we are sending to some other person. So that highlighter, which one we highlighted in the on dashboard, when someone is opening that, that should be there or it will be
That should be
blank.
there. That should be. That's why we are choosing the elder
The
options, right?
analysis. Acha,
The
acha, okay, yeah.
analysis, yeah. So highlight when you sharing this option, right? That highlighter option is there, and the client which you are sharing with the clients, right? They can change. They can change into the option. They can choose that which highlight they want, which dimension they want. They want technology. They want office. They want furniture. They want which they want. They can choose it because we give an option as highlighter, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So anybody have doubts on that? So what we are learning, anybody can tell me from starting onwards, not now. Guys, yeah, I think you are everybody is so silent. You are not talking
No
with
doubt, no
me.
doubt.
Okay, what we have learned, tell me, Lucian.
You mean from start to now?
Okay, start from.
Um, you mean start of today's session or since last week?
No, just start with today. What we done that? Tell me. Start with
Um,
decision.
Formatting text on your charts, formatting colors, assigning and picking colors, highlighting uh, different measures and dimensions on your charts as well.
Okay, now I understand that what we are doing that. So now we are done that colors. Colors by dimension, colors by measure. Again, we how to increase the size, how to decrease the size. Again, go for the labeling part. Again, the labeling we can choose match mark color. We can choose the label font size. We can again the alignment should be vertical or horizontal. We can go with the horizontal or we can choose it right. Again, 100% the ask for the Madhuri, right? It is nothing but transparent. The color should be go with the transparent or light colors. So now this much you are clear. I can go with the next part.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And everybody
Yes.
silent apart from these guys. Ganesh, Srinivas. Srinivas,
Yes,
why you
yes.
are silent today? Srinivas, Divya, Avinash. Everybody silent.
Yeah, yeah, Dinesh.
You are silent. Why you are silent today?
We are
Okay.
following.
Actually, my baby is doing some nice.
I understand that.
We are
No worry, no
following,
worry.
say.
Okay,
We are
I'm going with
following.
the okay, I understand that. So next option is details on visuals. If you see that details on visuals, how detailing part can be done on visuals, how details can be represent, showing the insights, how details can be impactful when you go for the visualization purpose. So I'm going to tell you. So here is a chart. So we are going to prepare details, right? How it will showcase. Now I'm going to prepare, you know, region by sales. Again, creating a pie chart, standard to the entire view. Again, highest to the lowest. Click on T mark. Again, colors. I choose border color in black. Again, I want to the showcase region as well. Region into the label as well. Again, sales into the label as well. But is that waste is showing, big, large crunch. If you see that, but I want to know that numbers as well. You know, which categories is being sold out, which is the waste category, and which categories it is sold out in a haste, which categories is being sold out. The numbers I want in detail only. Then what I do, I choose category into the detail part. If you see that. Furniture category, it is 2,50,000. Again, uh, if we see that furniture category, right? East side on 2,08,000. So we can choose into the various details with the help of pie chart as well. So what I done that I choose the category into the details where I'm showcasing in detail option, right? Have you see?
Yes.
Yeah, what I done, tell me. Anybody can explain me? Okay, let's remove this everything.
A region into color, some into
Okay. So
size.
okay, go with step by step. Okay. First select region, then go with sales, click on pie chart, right?
Yes.
Then go to the standard to the interview, then click on T mark, then go for the sorting option highest to the lowest. Now go for the colors. Again, I want border in black color. Now what I want to showcase the region names as region labels. Now it's showcasing again sales labels. Now it's showcasing. Now I want to know that the categories I'm selling, right? But how much the categories is selling in a west side, how much the categories are selling in a central, how much their categories are selling in a east side. I want to know in detail. Then I do that, just go category and into the detail. Just what I done that, I drag the category into the detail. Now I can choose that. So furniture is the sales has been done on 2,52,613. Now, Dinesh, I want to showcase the category names as well. We can do just drag the category into the labels as well. If you see that office supplies, technology, again, office supplies, technology, we can again go with that. So you understand that how the detailing parts has been done.
Yes.
Yeah,
Then
yes.
go with the size as well. Again, I want to increase the size. Again, we can choose that furniture as the now the if you say that I want first waste and then next furniture, then I want sales amount, right? Then what we do, just drag sales into the year only. Okay. Now region, category, sales, region, category, sales, region, category, sales in detail, right? If we click on this, so I get to know that in the west side, office suppliers is 2,20,000. Again, if we furniture on the south side is 1,17,000 in detail. You see that? Now I go for the east option. I get to know that in the east side, there was the 2,64,000 for technology and office supplies for 2,05,000. Again, furniture for the 2,08,000. This is the way we can choose in detail visualization. Guys, you get it?
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So anybody can try this. Anybody's excited to try to do this?
Yeah, I
Yes,
will do.
yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, I stop my sharing.
Dinesh, how can I remove my highlighter box or highlighter option,
Just click
which
on
is
the
present at the right
cross.
corner?
Simple. Go for the analysis.
What is-
Okay, analysis.
Again, go
Then,
for the highlighters.
yeah, highlighters.
Again, choose the same option, then automatically the option will be removed.
Just a second, let me try.
Yeah, you can try. If you're not,
No, it
again,
hasn't. It hasn't removed.
it if you simple way you can just cross mark, right? It's automatically removed, or else go for the analysis, go for the highlighters option. Or that's also happen. That's also work. Just try this.
Okay, got it.
You understand, right? Or else you can share your screen after that. Okay.
Okay.
Now you understand, right? How detailing parts has been playing very important role in Tableau because whenever we are visualizing any charts, right? We want in-depth information, in-depth detail in chart, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So whatever we are showcasing the information, whatever we can create in the visualizations, right? Details part is going to be a plays very important role.
Okay.
Okay, you can try this. So
So
Sibani, you are done,
it's
right?
done. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect, perfect. I understand that. So thank you so much, Sibani. You're doing really good.
Thank you.
So anybody can try this. Lucian, Srinivas, onward,
Yes.
onward. Today you are so silent. Why? What's happened?
I was coming from the temple, so I was listening on the phone. So I was just following.
Just following. Okay, let's. Okay, you done. You understand, right? What we are creating that and how detailing parts has been done. How details we can showcase into the pie chart.
Yes, tomorrow I think I will be showing my screen.
Okay. Yeah, lovely. Tell me, lovely. You're showcasing something, right?
Yeah, okay, let me.
Okay. So you are done the pie chart itself, right?
Mhm.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Perfect. Anything, nothing is mentioned. Everything's perfect. Now you understand, right? What is the colors option? What is the size option? And what is the marks option? What is the detail option? How we are going to be use it in our visualizations. So anybody can try this or go for the next option. Tell me.
Can I share my screen? I have another doubt.
Tell me, Sibani. Is the Madhuri or Sibani?
I think
Madhura.
Madhuri.
Madhuri. Yeah. Tell me,
I'm
Madhuri.
Madhura.
Sorry, Madhura.
It's okay. It's okay.
Actually, names has been, I was, starting onwards, I was telling Madhuri as well. Sorry. Tell me,
It's
Madhura.
okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Can you see this region and some cells part in the right upper corner?
Yeah, I can see that.
What's means? How can I hide it?
Just go with the options, right? There is options out there, right?
This one.
Go for the option ID card. ID card.
Which options?
Okay, I will tell you. Don't worry. Just 1 second. I will check my screen. Now, now you want to hide this card, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now go for this option. Is a small icon is there, right? Small icon. Small drop down icon. Click on that. Hide card. Again, I want click on that hide card. Okay, understand, right?
1 second. I didn't have that hide card option in my on my screen. Maybe
Because of
because
your
of Tableau public.
yeah, it's right. Because you are using Tableau public version, so that's why there is some options are not available in a Tableau. Whatever the Tableau desktop options are there, some of the options are not available in Tableau public
But in my
Okay,
screen
fine.
also it is not there, I think.
because you are using the Tableau public, I think, right?
So here you are telling this one, right?
So that's one small drop down icon, right?
On this right side, this one you are telling.
Yeah. Click on that. Click on the small drop down icon, right?
Yes, I
And
clicked
I
there.
yeah, play small. There is a last option is ID card. If you see that ID card,
ID card or
ID
what?
card. No, it's not
I'm not
ID
getting
card.
this one you are telling.
Oh, no. I will tell again. Don't worry. Okay, there is a small drop down location is there. Again, okay, I will share my screen if you have better understanding that. Now, if you see that there is a small drop down icon, is there, right? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
And that one only I'm just clicking that an option
but
is coming
you
edit.
no you no actually you go for the edit, right? There is
Acha,
logs option is there, hide card. You're not seeing
hide
this
card.
option. You're
Oh,
seeing this option only. Highlight edit. You're not seeing this option. I go for the hide card, just hide it.
acha, okay, okay, hide card. Okay.
Now you are seeing something only.
Oh, it is gone. Totally gone. How it will come again?
Okay, that's I will tell you. Don't worry.
I have another doubt also. After completion of this, I will ask that.
You tell me what is it of?
Yeah, it's totally gone. That options
Just put that category into marks card, I guess.
cat category into
Marks card.
where is that marks card?
Just left side. Below filters. The color, size, label, detail. That is marks card.
Where I need to put in color category into
No, no, just
T
put it
level.
in the marks card. I'm not sure whether it works or not. I'm just guessing.
You're telling I need to put here.
Yeah,
No, it's
it's
coming
it.
details only.
Okay,
Then
let them
Dinesh will
try.
tell.
I can help you. Don't worry. But let them try. Anybody can try this. It's easy only, but you can try this.
Yeah, I'm thinking here I will come
That's
high
is
title.
that is then another option for the high title, right? Don't go with
Uh,
that option.
uh, I mean options. Expand all. I know. Sort by no, no.
In window, show status bar or sidebar, something.
Windows
No.
status bar.
Even I'm trying, I don't know.
Okay,
Okay.
No, it is not it.
so I can help you with that. Uh, so if you are trying, then please try, or else I can help you.
Yeah, yeah, sir. You can go ahead.
No, I can try
Borders,
it.
drop a line. Legend filter. This is coming under filter. No.
Try legends and see if anything comes up. Legends. Come back down. Click on. No.
No.
Go back to analysis. Try legends. No.
You are telling this one size legend.
Oh, try anyone. I don't know.
And this one come. Then
Try do the other one now. Oh, see
and
the
this is
hide card option.
this is gone. There is another option, right? I mean, according to the category west, south, north, and that option I'm
Okay,
asking.
go back to analysis and try legend again.
Okay.
I'm going to select
This one color legend. Ow.
region. Yes.
I got it.
Okay,
And
okay.
the
That
both option it is not coming at a time. I mean, this one there is some the below one, right? That option gone. If you click on that, it is going. If you click on this, that also that is not
Yeah.
coming. Both two are not coming at a time.
now you understand, right?
Hmm.
So
So,
explain me others as well. They can understand.
it is coming.
Okay.
Yeah, both are coming.
Okay.
So there is a analysis option is there. If you hide this one, for example, by mistake, if someone clicked on this hide card, right? So
Okay.
how we will get that again? So go to the analysis tab. So there is a legend option. So here the color legend according to the reason we will get that. So it is coming. Then again, if you go to the legend, then size legend. So the some this is also coming.
Okay. Now you understand, right? I can
Yeah.
explain that it's not an issue, but you should be practice on that, how it
Eh,
works. You should be, more be interactive with that. That's I
mhm.
want.
Yeah. So I have another doubt. See, here the central is there. For three option, it is coming one. Here west, west, south. Why like that way? If they are for the one region, they are telling one. They are just putting one. That is okay for one, one, one. But here one for three, they are just mentioned one. For three, there is two. Then
Because of the
here
size
one.
issue. Because of size issue, I'm
Yeah.
telling you. Because the
Acha.
size issue is not coming. Don't worry, I can help you with that. That is not an
Yeah.
issue.
I have to increase the
Uh-huh.
size of
The
the
size
chart.
issues that, yeah, size of the issues that you can increase the size, then automatically it showcase. Again, increase the size, you can showcase all these things. Increase the
Okay.
size.
I
Now it's
already.
showcasing everything
Yes, yes.
because of the size issue. Now
Mm-hmm.
you understand, right?
Yeah.
So
That's
if you reduce the size, if you go for the reduce the size,
okay. So it is coming
because
one.
it because the size issue. Now the
Yeah.
size is going to be reduced, then numbers, it will be shown those numbers again, those who are the big space. If you go to the increase the size, then it will showcase all the labels, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Now, okay, so go with the next, or anybody have doubt in that?
No doubt.
Okay, Lucian,
No
thank you
No
doubts.
so much.
doubts.
Onward, doubt, Lovely,
No,
Sibani,
no,
Avinash,
no doubts.
Angad. Yeah.
No
No
doubts.
doubt.
No
Okay,
doubts.
that's
No
great.
doubts.
Appreciate. Even I'm asking every time, but now you are saying no doubt, then it's fine. Go with the next, right? Now anybody can tell that, now labels, I want to move one place to another. Okay, I
Uh,
am sharing my
the
screen.
screen isn't
Yeah,
visible.
yeah,
Okay.
I understand that. No worry. Now this labels, right? I want to one place to another. I want to go with that. So no, these labels should be moving from one place to another. How we can do that? It's so simple. Just click on these labels and into the inside. Again, just click on the label, move into the inside. Again, click on the label, move into the inside. Again, click on the label, move into the inside.
Can you
Perfect.
move it anywhere on the page?
Yeah. Tell me, anybody's asking something, right?
I was asking if you could move it instead of putting it on the within the chart itself. You could like move it out anywhere on the page. It wouldn't make sense, but I was just
Yeah,
asking.
it will make sense, right? Again, I want to move it anywhere, I can move it. Again, now I want to move anywhere, I can move it. Okay,
Okay.
this is anywhere I can move it. This is a labels option. We can anywhere I want to move it. You see
Mhm.
that? The
Yeah.
labels is something, corner side. No, I want this corner itself. I can choose corner.
This
Oh,
feature again, it's not working on my PC.
I think this feature is not there in public itself. I think. If you
Okay.
see that, how I put it right one by one, central, west, east, south. If you see that,
Yes.
again I want to put in such conditions. Right? If you see that, again I want to put it in the middle. Again, previously what we thinking that it is a fix, right? Previously you're thinking, right? Guys, now this previously what we are thinking, this is a permanent. We can't we replace it, right?
yeah.
Yes.
Now we, yeah, this is not like that. Every whatever the labels we can move it. Okay, so this is the label I can move it, I can move it. This is a label I can move it, I can move it. Anybody can try this. So what I'm doing, the labels I'm moving from one place to another. These are very small parts. Nobody is going to explain in depth. That's what, but I'm going to explain in a very in depth, very small things. It's going to be big matter, which is I'm believe right. Because small
Yes.
things, yeah, each and every small thing, it's going to be big matter when you're working with that.
Yes. Yes. I'm very grateful,
So,
sir. I'm joining this course.
but
Yeah, even I'm
no,
lucky.
honestly, but if you go with the any courses, go with the institutes, they are charging with the 10,000, 15,000, 25,000. Again, go with the Coursera, again, go with the, Udemy. Nobody is going to be tell in depth. Just they just tell that, Normal concepts like, how to creating a charts, how to creating a dashboards. Again, what is the sets,
Basic overview.
combines, filters. Yeah.
Yeah, I
Yes.
mean, in those
Can,
these concepts,
can
only
one
those people
change the
can explain.
colors of that pie chart,
Yeah.
please?
So because what I believe is that if you go with the learning with a deeper, right, every small thing is going to the big matter. Now go for the analysis. This highlight option is big matter. Again, on the first day, what we are learn, anybody can tell me that? Animation things, right? Anything idea about that? Animation?
Yes.
Animations,
Yes.
anybody? Animation out because this thing is nobody is telling that animation thing how it works again.
Moving
Now
slowly and
this
fast.
again slowly and fastly, right? Now I'm going to the 2 seconds, right? Now I'm going to the highest to the lowest. It's going to the very slowest to the fives. Again lower to the fives. So
Can I be in a
animation
position to
again,
customize the colors?
yeah.
Yeah,
So
I'm asking, can I be in a position to customize the colors of my chart?
customizing.
The color, like changing the color to suit my own color of my chart.
Okay, yeah, definitely. We can change it. Means you want to change this color, right? Can you please pardon? You want to change this color or what you want?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah, you can change this color, right? You can change this color, okay? If we go with these colors, right? Whatever you want to change these colors, we can change it. If suppose I want change this color in this color, what we can change it. What suppose the central color I don't want, go for the colors, edit the colors. I will choose this color, apply, okay, change it. Go for colors, right? Edit the colors. Central, pink color, assign palette, apply, okay, pink color. Again, east, I want to change the color. Go for edit color. Where is the east? Go to the east. This color I want. Again, assign palette.
Okay, noted.
Okay.
Thanks so
Now the
much.
same color is there. Again, go for central color, right? Go for central, right? I want to same color, which is now is same color, right? I want to same color. Go for colors, edit colors. Central, where is central? Here is central. Choose color. Okay. Again, I want west color as well, same. Go for west colors, edit colors. Go for south, choose color. Okay. Khatam. Understand, right? How this works?
Noted.
Yeah.
Thanks so
Understood.
much. Noted. Thanks so much.
So anybody have still doubts on that? I can go with the moving to the next step.
Yes, I will go for next.
Okay, thank you for the, now I'm moving to the, now we understand that highlighters on visuals, details on visuals, labels moving one place to another. Now I go with enhance readability using tooltip, right? So how the tooltip is going to be helpful to showcase, one to showcase the more worksheets in a single sheet. Now I can showcase worksheets. Suppose I can showcase bar chart, column chart, stack bar chart. I can show all these charts in this one chart. Suppose in this field map. Suppose in this field map, I go for the tooltip. Now I want is in the center. Now I don't want state name as well. Now I want this into the yellow color. Not the size which is I want 26. Again, this is it. Not it mentioned total sales. Okay. Now, now, now this sales, right? This sales I want colors is something blue color. Okay. Now, how is the preview if you see that? Okay, the preview is something, right? Now total sales for this total sales, I want different color. I can choose it red color. Let's preview. Okay, done. Okay. Let's see if we see the New York total sale. Again, California total sale. Again, Washington total sale. Again, Texas total sales. How is it looking? Perfect, right? If we go with the smaller state, right? Again, Virginia total sales 17,000. Again, North Carolina total sales 55,000. Again, Florida as total sales 89,000. Again, go with the smaller state. Again, very small is something. Montana. His total sales is 5,589. I was looking at detail tooltip part. How is showcasing, right? Now, if I go with this cursor, right, California total sale 4,57,000. Again, New York sale is 3,10,876. Okay, now I move to the next. Dinesh, now tooltip, now you're using this, right? Now this is I want into the again 26 and total sales you have mentioned, right? You can increase the size as well 20. Now, what I want to do, I want to insert the sheet. Which sheet you want to insert? I want to insert, stack column chart, or else we can use the pie chart as well. First, we change the colors, asset palette, apply, okay. Then what I do that, I want to insert pie chart. Okay. So go for the tooltip, go for the insert option, go for sheets. Now, which chart you want to insert? Tell me. Hello?
The pie chart.
Pie chart. Perfect. Go with the pie chart. Okay. Now this pie chart size is too much big. I want little bit small, like 16. And I want, the preview is showing something like that. This is something go for the 600. Again, this is something size max width. I want 400. I just want to preview. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now I will go with this California. I will do this. Okay, we see that perfect. Is it in? Let's 1 second. I understand, right? How is it showing that?
Yeah.
Now I want to insert one more sheet. That is nothing but line chart. And this is size I'm going to increase in a 12. And this is showing it in black color. Again, uh, let's go to the preview. Okay. Okay. Now it's showing both charts, right? For the West region. Again, go for this profit. Again, is going to the filtering each and everything. You see that? Now this is something going to the bigger size, right? I don't want this size. You can, go for the label. Something max width is there, max width and max height. You can decrease the size, increase the height. I want 100 only. Height is only 100 I want because it's showing much bigger. So just go for the preview. Now it's showing like this, right? If you see the California. Now what is saying that view is too large to show. Now I can, because view is too large to show. You see, you can increase the size as go for the 400 and 400, 300 and 300. Go to the preview again. OK option. If you see that, if you see that, if you go for California, if you see that, it's showing in detail option for the California itself. If you go for the New York, right, it will go for the New York East option sales. Again, New York profit as well. It will because go for tooltip, right? It is filtering on all fields. If you see that filters on all fields, because Tableau is enough to smart to understand they are doing filtering itself. If you go with the New York, California, right? He's telling the West side sales. He's telling the profit of West. It's telling the California profit itself. Each and every detail. If you go with the central, right? Now is the Wisconsin. The total sale is telling that is telling the profit as well. Is the profit is 1,583 profit. Again, if we go with that, okay. Now this the South sale, right? Virginia. The South sale is 17,000. Why it's showing that the labels is not correctly showing because we are already moved, right? So again, go for the profit is 1,806 profit for the Virginia. Is filtering each and every detail for all the fields, not for the world field. If you go with the, I want, and we can insert n number of sheets. I can insert, n number of sheets. Suppose go for the preview. This sheet is okay. Okay, we can remove this sheet. Okay, we can sheet 7, right? Just 1 second. Okay, so you can increase sheet 7, right? Go for the insert option, sheet option, sheet 7. Go for the okay. Now we see that how is looking because size is not enough that we need to increase the size. Okay, how to increase the size? Go for tooltip again. Now the size is something for the sheet 7, right? I want to increase in a 600, 500. You can choose 500. That's fine. You can choose 600 as a 600. How for go for preview? It will go showcase preview. Okay. Now it's showing right, guys. It's showing right.
Yes, right.
But what, guys? What is the magic? Tell me. I'm using tooltip, right? What is the magic for that? Tell me. Anybody can explain that?
The data from the other pages are being filtered by down to the state that you selected. So it's so the data on the for those other charts that are added to the tooltip, a state filter is being added to them dynamically.
Now, if you see that, now this is nothing but what is this? Tell me. Hmm?
So if you
Sub
click on
the
of a particular
subcategory sales for that particular state and profit by year for that particular state.
Okay, that's fine. Now if we go for this right, it will showcasing that 1 second. It will showcasing the it will showcasing the tables, suppliers, a table, suppliers, copies, accessories. Each showcasing on that state how many subcategories has been sold out. In that depth details is showing that. Suppose one thing, okay, what we'll do in a better understanding, right? Go for tooltip, remove everything. Okay, just go for the preview right now. Now it's perfect. Go for the insert, sheet 7. And now sheet 7, right? What we'll do now? This I want to going to increase the 600 to 600. Okay, click on OK. Now, if you see that, it's showing in-depth detail for the profit. Again, go for this another, right? Now I want to go for this, this state. This Texas state, right? It's showing the sales is very low because if you see that Texas starting with storage, supplies, tables, bookcases, chairs, machine, furnishing, applies, blenders, it's almost is on loss. If you see that,
Yeah.
Yes,
so I can take a decision, right? I can take a decision. This this subcategories, right? What subcategories? Starting with storage, supplies, tables, bookcases, chairs. Again, machine binders. These subcategories I don't want to sold in a Texas because it's already on losses. I can take a decisions. Guys, understanding?
yes, sir.
Understand.
Okay.
Yes.
And one more thing. Okay, let's suppose go with another state, right? Let's suppose go with Newark. Now Newark is performing really good because machines starting with machine to fastens everything is profitable categories. Only tables are in a minus, and I can think about this why tables are not selling so much and why is not showcasing in the New York, why it's showing in the loss. I can remove these tables or else I can upgrade myself into the table categories in the New York because it is my weakness in the New York. In the New York, everything is good because whatever the subcategories I'm selling, right, is has been sold out everything apart from the table itself because table is going to the loss itself. And I want to know that what is the loss. I can think about this. And either I want to go to invest or not for the tables itself or not. Whether I want to go for the table production, go to the increase or not in a New York. I can think about this, right? Let's suppose think you are the business person and you are selling these subcategories into the New York. And now you understand that the table is not going to the selling in the New York. So I don't want to produce the tables in the New York itself. I can do something itself, but I don't want to do for table itself. Now you understand that because of its analytics, because of your data, because of how you represent it itself. Now the tooltip helps to you to showcase that everything from that.
Mm. Understand.
Understand, right?
Yes.
Anybody can try
Yes.
this. Now, how now think how it works tooltip, no? Because now what I done this tooltip, I increase the sizes, I choose the colors, again I can bold it, again I inserted the sheets which sheet I want. Now I inserted sheet 7, right? You can insert the sheets n number of sheets as much of you want. You can insert that and you can increase the max width, max height. Okay, which size you want, you can choose it. So this is the way tooltip it works. If you see that again, how it works, it perfectly right. Again, now it's go with that. Now it go with the states, right? Illinois. Again, storage, chairs, appliances, furnishing, table, binders. It is on losses. So I can think about this, why this subcategories is going to the losses and what is the reason that I can think about this, I can upgrade that or I can drop the production or else I can stop the production itself in that state itself. Guys are understanding. Please respond something, right?
Yes. It helps in
Understand.
decision making.
Yeah, decision making, you are right. You can take a decisions, you can choose that whatever business decisions because it's showing in-depth details, right? Now, now we have covered that marks, colors, size, label, detail, tooltip. So from the next day, we'll go into the cover, try to be cover filters as well and try to cover more things as well. Okay. Anybody have a doubt in that?
Dinesh, in this case, we
Mm.
inserted. Hello.
Yeah, I'm listening. Tell me.
Yeah. Yeah. So in this case, we inserted means a chat through means whatever sheet we have previously used. But suppose if I want to use something else, means which is not in this sheet. For example, pie chart I want to use to
You
showcase.
can use
But
pie charts. You already
yeah, but
created pie charts, right?
No, suppose if I have not created already, suppose, but I want to add it in that to showcase. So how can I
Okay,
use it?
without, okay, 1 second, Ganesh, as you understand, without creating anything, how can I showcase the details? How can I create the filters itself? How can Tableau can understand? Now you
No,
understand.
mm,
Now
yeah,
you're
my
telling that. Yeah, tell me.
means my question is like suppose I want to add something extra beyond my means I have created all the data. Suppose I want to create pie chart to showcase in this. So with tooltip, is it possible to create? You getting my
Okay,
point?
now you want not the now Ganesh, your question is that the tooltip itself creating a pie chart and the tooltip itself adding an insert in that a tooltip itself showing details, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So that's we need to create it. That is the advanced option that, but there is a one option for you. That is the ask data. There is option is there ask data in the dashboard itself. I can if you want I can showcase Canvas. Just 1 second.
Yeah.
If you see that this ask data, have you seen that ask data?
Mhm.
Where is that
So
option?
it is option is there, right? Dashboard, horizontal, vertical text. It is option is the ask
Okay, okay,
data.
got it.
Ask data. So in the what is this feature, right? This feature is helping that suppose I can use this feature, right? Just I'm typing that I want to create a pie chart. That the Tableau itself is creating a pie chart itself. Just you write which chart you want. Suppose I want column chart, it's automatically created column chart. You just need to choose which dimension or measure you want to pick up. It's automatically done from the backend itself. Ask data. That is a new feature from Tableau itself. But don't worry, with the
How
help
to
of
access?
don't worry, Madhur, you are so excited, right? Everything we will learn.
No,
That
no.
is the
How to
dashboard.
access this dashboard option? I'm not getting it on my PC.
Just go with that, right? Okay, I will tell you. There is a small icon, right? This is icon, right? If you see that, this is nothing but dashboard icon. This is nothing but dashboard icon. You see, new
Yes.
dashboard comes, right? So this square option is nothing but dashboard. Okay.
Okay, got it.
So, Ganesh, as per your question, I'm also scared about this because why? Tell me,
Yeah.
why? Tell me one thing, Ganesh, that why I'm scared. And this is the question because AI tools are coming now. AI is doing everything. You believe me, you don't believe me, right? Chat GPT again, lot of tools they are creating a lot of an impact in a next future, right? One tool, in lot of tools are coming in a next in the future itself automatically it's automated every reports every charts that software will automatically create itself and automatically create reports and deployment into the client itself. There is a no required. That's why AI is far more dangerous for that today it's world. Now if you're using chat gpt, right, that is if you already use or not I don't know. Chat gpt is a really wonderful thing, but again, a scared thing is more than intelligent earth. Is really, really, if you're using Google, then again you're using ChatGPT, right? You never use Google itself. I want ChatGPT. Is kind of mind thinking your perception is created. Trust me, the AI is going to be change the world, but AI is going to be lost. A lot of the worlds is will be happen. If you go with the content creator, if you go with a lot of jobs, that will going to be lost next 1 to 2 years with the because ChatGPT, because of ChatGPT, because of AI tools, they are doing automatically everything and more than perfect by humans. And I'm sure that next tools are going to be automatically created reports, automatically each and every worksheets, every visualization automatically create itself. You don't need to create, then jobs is going to be lost. I haven't heard about the Chat GPT, or you just
Yes,
heard
I
it
have
in
heard
the
and even tried.
right. It's more scared. Chat GPT is really the technology is built by that, because the Chat GPT, which is I'm also scared because whatever you want to be asked the question, it will give you to be within a fraction of two
Yeah,
answer
it
each and
gives.
step
It
by step.
does coding.
Yeah, you know I think that future will be replaceable for the Google itself. I think Google, from the next 5 years, Google will be not be there. Maybe Chat GPT is there because the technology is really, really much more intelligent than Google itself. That's why I'm scared about your question, Ganesh.
Which jobs will not be automated?
Content creator jobs, video jobs, editing jobs, again,
No, will
blogs
not be
again
automated.
will not be automated. Only entrepreneur jobs will
Ah,
be not be automated. Apart from the each and every software job will be automated.
and also those jobs which require communication skills.
Easily, right? If you go for first of all, if you go for the AI tools, right, they will capture non-technical roles first. Because non-technical roles, they need they what they do all the non-technical roles they what they are running, right, they do automatic with the help of chatbots. Again they can create chatbots. Again they can resolve the queries. They can create the whatever the query itself, they will resolve it
Yes.
with the help of chatbot. So for the first itself, non-technical jobs will be lost. Then next onwards, software engineer jobs will be. Because I'm scared. Because if you also start using ChatGPT, you understand that how the technology
Yes,
it
yes, I have
works.
used it. It
Yeah,
also actually
others have
helps in
any.
our studies.
Yeah, definitely.
Like it gives.
Actually, I want to know what is your name, Lali?
Sorry,
What is your name?
Loveline,
Lovely. Where you are from?
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe. Okay.
Yes. Mhm.
Okay. Because the name itself, because the name itself lovely, or else I want something that what is a cute name, or is a crush name, something like.
Okay.
Okay. Anybody, Kamla,
Noted.
you talk Kamla again, nervous, Lucian. So anybody are doubt in that what I studied today? How is the session is there? Perfect, good, average, nothing like that. Sir, you're teaching something
It's
I'm not
amazing.
understanding.
No, no, it's
Okay.
amazing.
Apart
Perfect.
No
from
doubt.
the okay, whatever the feedbacks will be, I will
God
share
damn.
these. Okay. If you don't like this, tell me, sir. You're not like I don't want this video. I don't. You're teaching itself. Tell me itself. Because I want to be interactive. You should be understand that what I'm teaching and what you are learning. At the stage we are not there. I'm just telling something. You're not understanding anything. You should be try. I will be help you, and I will also teach you. You should also understand that. So it's something both the peoples we are trying both things. So interaction things it will be make easy to understand a lot of things, lot of concepts as well, even learn things as well. So whatever I believe that be in the connective way, we try to grow much faster. So today we are closing session. Anybody have doubt, then please let me know. And thank you for this joining for session, right? And one more thing that almost 300 people has been registered, but the thing is that only 30 people has been joined. It's painful thing for me, guys.
People might have another Saturday plans.
Yeah,
Mhm.
actually I was feeling right, um because of I'm not charging the fees, they are not joining, or because of what issue is not joining, I don't understand it, right?
That's how it usually goes. At the start, a lot of people
Some
join,
of
and then
us
over the course
can
of
also be the
time,
working professionals.
Okay,
yeah.
working professionals, understand. No, working professional as well. Working professional, they don't have work in Saturday, Sunday. That's why I put right. That's why I choose Saturday, Sunday, right?
Okay.
I know that, lots of problems they are working professional. That's why I choose Saturday, Sunday. Even why I choose morning itself, because most of the people are lazy. They are not wake up in the morning itself, right?
Dinesh, hello.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me, Ankit.
Including your classes, I have three classes on Saturday, Sundays.
Okay. So this one, and one more thing, I want to ask one question. I want to go with the YouTube live. So what about thinking about what your perspective? Tell me.
No, this meet is good option.
So I want
We
to go
will
for
be
the
able
YouTube.
to.
Yeah, actually, I
Hello,
was
say.
thinking that. Yeah, on tell me.
I was asking, we will be able to show our screen if you use YouTube.
Yeah, definitely. It's. I think it's possible or not. It's not possible, maybe. Let's think about this, know, on the last day, or else, I will try to do this or itself. But don't worry, I will, at the, if I'm not doing the live stream itself, I will do the recording itself. I will, upload the recordings in my YouTube, where you can, subscribe my videos, please, right? If you're not subscribing, right, I'm going to the next session, going to be conduct on SQL. And if you're going, I'm each and everything I'm going to update in the YouTube itself. I'm not going to update in the WhatsApp. So you should be subscribe my YouTube channel, because because that I want to build a community where, where a lot of things to be created itself, right? And community is going to build itself where you can, be the one channel and be with participating with all other participants, right? Try to be work with that, what do you want to be learn. Again, comment me again, again comment on the videos, right? Again, subscribe me. The AI Dinesh, I want SQL videos. I want, Power BI. I want whichever you want to be learn the course, just bring me in the YouTube itself. Just mention the comment, hey
Uh,
Dinesh, I want to learn the Power
uh,
BI course. Yeah.
I think you should do one more the live streaming on LinkedIn, more like a kind advertise
Yeah,
kind of.
because Angad, why
Then
I'm
people
taking
can.
this people are not joining, Angad. There's pain for me. 300 people are registered. To only 30 people are joining because it's free. If I put the money right, everybody's coming.
Sir, my
Right,
line
right.
dropped,
Because
sir, actually.
That is
these
only painful
people are
thing.
not.
Am I audible? Oh God.
Who is this person?
Sivan.
Madhura, right? Sivani.
Sivan.
Okay, okay, Sivani.
In the meanwhile, actually, I lost the connection, so I
I
missed some
understand.
conversation actually.
Okay,
So, as
understand.
you discussed, I mean, in the all the Tableau classes, the 10 classes, right? You are not going to conduct, or what? I missed the
No,
class
no, no,
and
no.
the
I'm going
conversation.
to no, no. Everything is going to be conducted. We're just thinking about this. What if the YouTube live stream it works or not, or what else? YouTube lives, because now how I'm explaining YouTube, right? But that is same thing. It will work now. We are now you guys are sharing your screen and you're doing something. Again, I'm saying the same thing. YouTube will works or not. We that will also check, right? I think that will not be happen. So, but
In the
don't worry.
YouTube.
At the yeah, in the YouTube, that will not be
Acha.
worry. Yeah. So at the end of day, you guys need to do one thing. I will upload all my videos in a YouTube itself. You just need to do subscribe, like, and comment. And guys, please be, in you, whatever your doubts in me. Hey Dinesh, I want to learn Power BI course. Just comment me. I can teach me. I'm ready to teach everything. But I want to build a community. I want to build a community in YouTube itself. I want to, creating a much build community, right? Where I can grow with the view, where I can, I can learn with you, you can learn with me. Again, we want to share a lot of things in the community itself. Can you please
Ye-
support me?
Yeah, sure, sure.
All guys, I think I don't have, I think everybody is sleeping itself. Nobody's talking with me.
Yes, we'll support you.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thanks, thanks, thanks.
We'll give you
Okay.
maximum support, say.
Thank you, Navas. Thank you so much. So because
Sir, one request actually from my side, how we are
yes,
discussing that Tableau part. Could you please, I mean, discuss the SQL part regarding I mean, complicated the queries, right? While we are calculating.
SQL queries,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes. How?
SQL queries is very SQL queries, when you started working with that, it's really easy. You just need to
Mm,
practice on that. That is not
yes,
an
yes,
issue.
yes.
But when thinking about the joints, when thinking about the concept,
Mm.
that much a little bit difficult.
No, I'm very much good in concepts, but while we are doing the query, right,
I
writing.
understand that. Now concept is clear, but why you're doing with mistake is started, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'm unable to think to how to
I
join and
understand.
solve query all those.
And one more thing, guys. Actually, I was thinking in that, one more Tableau workshop I will going to be conduct on a March itself. Either and one more SQL workshop is going to be conducted, and that's going to the updates in YouTube itself. The second most important thing that whether I want to charge some kind of registration fee, because when people are not taking seriously, what are you thinking about that? Whether I want to charge some kind of registration fee. No, Dinesh, you don't want to charge registration fee. Then I want, okay, it's fine. But what do you think about this? My opinion.
I'm always serious only if free or
But
bonus. I'm always serious.
but think onward. If you go for the my group, right? Almost 300 people are there, but nobody is joining onward.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the issue. That. But what is your opinion? You want to be go with the charging some kind of registration fee, like 200 or 149 rupees kind of registration fee.
Yeah, that's good.
Because people are not taking seriously. I don't want to earn money, but people are not taking seriously. Then I'm putting my efforts, right?
Yeah.
So anybody have a suggestion with that? Dinesh, don't go with the registration fee. Then I will stop this discussion. Anybody are concerned with that? Please, 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 and please, I'm every session going to be uploaded on YouTube and like, share, subscribe. And one most important, if you're not subscriber, you will not get be notified my going to the next SQL workshop. So please, guys, support me, right? I'm doing free of cost, right?
Yeah. So could you please, I mean,
Others,
So
discuss regarding the scenario-based questions, right? SQL and Tableau. For example, if you are going for an interview, there, if for example someone is having 4 to 5 or 3 to 4 years of experience, if someone is learned all those skills, but he or she is not experience on that, but he or she is learned the skills, but when they are just I mean showcasing our talent as we have experience, but we are just putting our best, right?
I understand.
So
I understand.
we are respecting, they are respecting, we are good on that, right?
I
According to
understand.
that, they
I
are
understand.
questioning, putting the question how we will tackle that.
Now I understand what is the difficulty. So
Yeah.
now you want to go for data analytics based on your past experience, and past experience is
Mm,
not for same, right?
yeah.
I understand that. And what interviews is accepting? I know Siban is really good. He have a good experience, right? He has a good talent. So what
Yeah.
happened in the reality? We don't have that much of practice, then, right? We
Yeah.
haven't done on practice itself.
Mm-hmm.
So Sibani, one more thing, Sibani, Tableau you can learn 10 days, 15 days, 25 days, 1 month, or 6 months. It's your choice. But after learning 15 days or 20 days, right? But you haven't practiced for 1 month, 2 months, right? Then you
Mm-hmm.
will again lost your memory. You forget
Yes, yes.
everything after 6 months.
Mm-hmm.
But one thing, suppose you learn 15 days or suppose you Tableau you learn 15 days or 1 month, and after learning you keep practicing, on a weekly basis or daily basis, at least for the half an hour, 1 hour, then you never forget this knowledge at the end of your death.
Mm.
So what I'm saying, practice is needed. Without practices, never expect something.
Yeah, I got your point. The thing is, the practice is the main key. But how, if someone is experienced on that particular field, how someone be answer, right? Like for a particular
I can
question.
help you. I can help you. There was a last, okay, I can help you with that. Don't need to worry.
I
So
mean,
the lot of yeah.
best. I mean, for example, someone is going for Tableau developer or Power BI. Must there is a must skills is required for the SQL, right? They're
Understand.
they're respecting. So they're asking the SQL based, the scenario based questions. I mean, long.
Understand. Means
How to
they are they are creating the employee chart. This is the employee one chart. This is the employee second chart, and this is the columns for the employee's name. Again, this is the employee's ID. Again, this is the employee's first name, employee's last name. Again, this is the employee's salary. This is the first call. This is the first table employee salary. This is second employee salary. But I want to combine this. This kind of scenario question they will be asked normally.
Actually, I didn't come across in this kind of question. Some of my friends they are telling, but we can do in this case concat or kind of to join, right? In this scenario, two tables.
Joints.
Yes, join.
So yeah, so normally they will ask you how they will explain the two tables in a if because I face this interviews right, they will explain the in a two tables because SQL is live right, and SQL they ask always real kind of example. They ask simple questions. So Shivani, just explain. We have two tables. One is the employees table and one is customer table, and we have columns. I want to combine this employees table and customer table. How do you combine that? Simple.
Yeah, the inner. I mean, yeah, what is that? Joins,
Inner
right?
job.
Inner join.
So
According to the what we
so
need.
yeah, so before going to the inner joint, a unit should be asked, sir, which joints
Common
should be
field.
taken. Yeah, which common field you want, which joints you want.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, in a lot of the organization, they will go for the left joint. But which joint you going to be preferred, and and you want which column should be similar, right? Now
Yes.
I'm going with the left joint, right? Left joint is going to be extract all the record from the right side, right? So it
Mm.
should be most important that which joints you going to prefer. You should be asked someone. You should be asked the interview that which joints to be going to perform that. Then after they thinking that we are going to perform left join, then go for the left join condition and create a query and write a query and showcase with them. That's fine. It's
Mm.
difficult. I understand that. You need to practice it.
Yeah, yeah, and this also I'm feeling that is a little kind of simple, but there are so many complex queries are coming. I mean, according to the questions, what exactly I'm
Okay, I will
feeling.
tell you. I will tell you. So before
Yeah.
going to the interface, if you go with the Tableau or Power BI developer, right?
Mm.
First of all, introduce yourself and telling that I'm very expert in Tableau developer. I'm created the dashboards and stories, and I've done the deployment as well. Again, I work in the Tableau desktop and Tableau server. But the thing is that SQL when it comes to the SQL, right? I know the basic SQL scenarios where I can write the query, we can work on the query, where I can changes on the query. But it's on the basis. It's not in the depth in a SQL.
Mhm.
So they will consider as the SQL basic person only. They will
Okay.
have okay, understand right?
Yeah, got it.
And everybody wants SQL basics only. Okay, they don't want such a more deeper way that is more intelligent in a SQL.
Okay.
In every company they want perform SQL basic things like joints, constraints, primary key. Again, unique key. What is a where condition? Again, what is
Yeah,
the
set operator.
aliases?
Yeah, and the ranking function. These are the
Yeah,
most important
ranking
ones.
function, index function as well.
Yeah.
So this is kind of simple question they will ask. Don't need to worry. So again, this is too much late. I understand. I can close this session. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, guys, to supporting me. So this recording I will share you in the YouTube, and I will the YouTube link will be shared in the WhatsApp itself. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.
Thank you, Dinesh.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Dinesh. Bye.
Pranam. Thank you so much. Thank you,
So that
Ganesh.
PDF, which one
Thank you.
you are just sharing, right? That, could you please share that link? What are the sub points you are mentioned, right? You are going through that.
I will explain it, Subhana. Don't worry. Everything I'm going to explain.
Okay. I just,
I
sure.
think your questions is not going to stop it, right? Yesterday, even what is the name is that same after almost 10:30 to 11:30, she's doing practice itself. Who is the
Okay.
name? I think Madhura.
Okay.
He's doing almost 11:30 itself. He's asking question itself. Sir, what is do I what I'm doing with this issue in this scenario? Okay, just leave it. I can help with that. Chalo, take it back.
Yeah. Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
correct.